What's going on, peeps? Ricardo Campbell, farmer. Come on, we're here today. I'm doing a driveway. As you can see, I'm opening up the driveway. So that way more cars can come. We could have trucks come in and things. I got a little bulldozer excavator, as you see in front, that's coming towards me. He's going to push down some of the areas in the back over here too. And then behind here, as we found our secret pond. So hopefully by tomorrow we can excavate the pond, pull out some of the debris and dirt, and go from there. So far we have Irish potato, sweet potatoes planted. We have cassava. This week we're doing pumpkin, cocoa, and maybe some kale. Once we get back in the back there, then we're going to put up our greenhouse where we can do the drip irrigation for the Scots bonnet pepper. Things are moving along. Just found out too that they rented the area next to me, 100 acres, to another gentleman that's coming to do some eco-tourism. I don't know what that means. But anyway, this is the farm. This is the Jamaican farmer, Ricardo Campbell. Investors call me now. 876-376-1027. Wifey call me too. I look for a nice woman, man. Come help me with this farm. Same number, baby. All right, later.